Michael, quick question.
Hey, Olivia, absolutely. What is on your mind today?
What is the exact difference between was, did, and were? Like, I was, I did. Why is English so confusing?
That is literally the biggest trap for English learners.
Seriously, because I say I was tired, and then I did my work, and they are both in the past.
Exactly. You're looking at them and thinking they're all past tense, so what is the deal?
Yes, it drives me crazy.
I completely understand, but let me tell you a secret.
Ooh, I love secrets.
The problem is not the past tense.
Wait, what?
Nope. The problem is knowing what question you were answering.
What question I'm answering?
Exactly. And I promise you, after this lesson, choosing was, did, or were will feel completely automatic.
Wow, that is a big promise.
Awesome. Now, Olivia, take a deep breath.
Okay.
I want you to forget all the complicated grammar books today.
Oh, thank goodness.
There is no complicated grammar today. No memorizing boring rules.
Really? None at all?
None. We are focusing on just one simple idea.
I am all ears. What is the idea?
You just need to answer the right question.
Just answer the right question. Okay.
Let's look at the big idea. We have 3 words: was, did, were.
Right, the tricky 3.
But they do not answer the same question. They're like 3 different doors in a hallway.
Oh, I like that picture. 3 doors.
Yes, behind door number 1 is did.
Okay, did.
Did answers the question, what happened?
What happened? Okay, got it.
Behind door number 2 is was.
Uh-huh.
Was answers the question, how was it? Or how was the person?
How was it? Okay.
And behind door number 3 is were.
Let me guess. How were they?
Spot on. Were answers, how were they?
Wait, is it really that simple?
It really is. Did is what happened. Was is how was it. Were is how were they.
I need to write this down.
Just visualize it first. Let's open the first door. Let's talk about did.
Okay, door number 1. Let's go.
Imagine you meet a friend for coffee on a Monday morning.
I can smell the coffee already.
Haha, perfect. Your friend looks at you and asks, what did you do yesterday?
Okay, what did you do yesterday?
Think about that question. What are they actually asking you for?
They want to know my actions, right? My activities.
Exactly. They want to know about an action.
Ah, I see.
So, how would you answer? Paint me a picture of your Sunday.
Well, I did my homework.
Perfect. What else? Let's say you were working on something for your job.
Oh, I did the project.
Excellent. Now imagine standing in your kitchen. The sink is full of plates and cups.
The worst. I did the dishes.
Yes, I did the dishes. And if you tried really hard at the gym?
I did my best.
Awesome. Look at all those sentences. I did my homework. I did the project. I did the dishes. I did my best.
Yeah, exactly. They are all actions, things I physically completed.
Brilliant. That is the true power of did.
It feels very active.
It is. Did tells the story. It moves the movie forward. It tells us what happened.
So did is about actions and events.
Absolutely. It is the engine of the story.
Wow, when you put it like that, it makes so much sense.
Now, what if the action never happened? What if you were lazy on Sunday?
Oh no.
Imagine your phone is ringing. It is your friend, but you ignore it.
Oops.
The next day, what do you tell them? Use the negative of did.
I didn't call him.
Right. Or let's say your boss asks about that project.
Ouch. I didn't finish the project.
Perfect. And what if you stayed on the sofa all night?
I didn't go out.
Spot on. Look at how natural that is. I didn't call him. I didn't finish. I didn't go out.
It is so smooth because they are all actions that just didn't happen.
Exactly. That is everything you need to know about did. It handles the actions.
Okay, door number 1 is clear. Actions and events.
Ready for door number 2?
Yes. Let's talk about was.
Okay, now listen carefully to this sentence. I was tired.
I was tired. Okay.
Tell me, Olivia, is tired an action?
No, I am not physically tiring something.
Right. Are you moving the story forward with an event?
No way, it's just a feeling.
Exactly. It is a feeling, a state of being.
Ah.
Was does not tell us what happened.
So what does it do?
It tells us how someone was. It paints the background of the movie.
Paint the background. I love that.
Yeah. Imagine you are walking into a big job interview. Your hands are shaking.
Oh my gosh, I hate that feeling.
How would you describe yourself in the past?
I was nervous.
Perfect. Now picture your office, phones ringing, emails popping up, people shouting.
Wow, okay, I was busy.
Yes, and what if you just won a free ticket to Paris?
No way, I was excited.
Ha, love it. Listen to those sentences. I was tired. I was nervous. I was busy. I was excited.
They're all describing me inside.
Exactly. Was describes the person, not the action.
Was describes the person, not the action. That is golden.
See? No complicated grammar, just visualizing the situation.
I get it. It feels so much lighter to learn it this way.
Totally. Now, let's reverse it, the negative form.
Oh, okay.
Let's say you just slept for 10 hours. How do you feel the next day?
I wasn't tired.
Nice. Imagine your colleague comes to a meeting without his laptop.
Oh, he wasn't ready.
Perfect. And a customer who gets the wrong coffee.
She wasn't happy.
Brilliant. I wasn't tired. He wasn't ready. She wasn't happy.
Those are all states of being, too, just negative ones.
Exactly. You were describing the person's condition, not what they did.
So if my boss asks why the project is late,
Yes? What would you say using these two doors?
I would say, I was busy, so I didn't finish it.
Whoa, look at you.
Oh, wow, I used both.
Yes, you described your state first. I was busy. Door number 2.
Right, and then the action that didn't happen, I didn't finish it. Door number 1.
Excellent. You see how they work together to paint the full picture?
That is incredible. They are completely different tools.
Indeed. You don't use a hammer to cut paper, right?
No.
And you don't use did to describe a feeling.
This is making so much sense now. So what about the third door?
Ah, were. Door number 3. Are you ready for it?
Definitely. Open it up.
Door number 3 is were. Now imagine more than one person in your story.
Okay, so a group of people, like me and my friends.
Exactly. Think about your friends at a party. How did they feel?
They were happy.
Spot on. Now imagine you and your family waiting for a trip to the beach.
Oh, we were excited.
Yes. Notice what is happening here. Are they doing an action?
No, they're not. It is a feeling again.
True. Were is exactly the same idea as was.
Ah, I see. So why is it a different word?
Because of who we're talking about, different subjects.
Right. Was is for me or one person. Were is for plural. We, they, you.
Brilliant. You nailed it. It describes plural people, not actions.
So I can say, we were ready.
Absolutely. Or if I say something correct, you can tell me,
You were right.
haha, I love hearing that. And imagine a group of children after a long day of playing.
Oh, the kids were tired.
Perfect. They were happy. We were ready. You were right. The kids were tired.
It feels just like painting the background, but for a group.
Yeah, exactly. Were describes people, not actions. It sets the scene.
This is so clear. Was and were are for feelings and states. Did is for actions.
You bet. And now, Olivia, we had arrived at the most dangerous part of the lesson.
Oh, no. Dangerous? Why?
Because this is where so many learners make a massive mistake.
Gosh, let me guess. Mixing them together?
Totally. Many learners try to put an action word with a feeling word.
Like combining door 1 and door 2?
Exactly. Have you ever heard someone say, did you were tired?
Ouch. Yes, I have actually said that myself.
No worries. Or what about, did she was busy?
Oops. Yes, that sounds so familiar. Why do we do that?
Because you know you were talking about the past, so your brain panics and throws did in front of everything.
That is exactly what happens. My brain panics.
But remember our doors. Tired is a feeling. Which door is that?
That is the were door for you, or the was door for she.
Right. So the correct question is simply, were you tired?
Were you tired? Yes, that sounds so much better.
And for she?
Was she busy?
Excellent. Here's the golden rule, Olivia.
I am writing this down. Go ahead.
Do not use did when was or were already does the job.
Do not use did when was or were already does the job. Wow.
If you are asking about a state or feeling, leave did out of it entirely.
So I never say, did you be or did you were, just were you?
Spot on. It is cleaner, faster, and 100% correct.
I feel like a massive weight just lifted off my shoulders.
I'm so glad to hear that.
So how do I practice this so I don't forget?
Let's do a smart comparison. Same day, different questions.
Okay, paint the picture for me.
Imagine it is yesterday, you wake up. How were you?
I was tired.
Good. Then you sat at your desk. What happened?
I did my homework.
Nice. Then your friends came over. How were they?
My friends were happy.
Boom. Look at what you just did.
Oh, wow, I answered all 3 questions perfectly.
Exactly. I asked what happened, you used did.
Right, the action.
I asked how were you used was.
The feeling for me.
And I asked how were they, you used were.
The feeling for the group.
Same day, 3 completely different questions.
This is like magic. The confusion is completely gone.
Because you stopped memorizing grammar and started visualizing the story.
Indeed, I am just answering the right question now.
Exactly. Now, are you ready for a challenge?
Uh-huh, bring it on.
Welcome to the Mistake Lab.
Haha, the mistake lab. I love it.
I am going to give you some broken sentences. Your job is to fix them.
Challenge accepted. Let's fix some English.
Listen to this one. I did tired.
Ouch, that hurts my ears now.
Why? What is wrong with it?
Tired is a feeling. It is a state. You can't do tired.
Spot on. So how do you fix it?
I was tired.
Perfect. Let's try another one. They did happy.
Oh, no. Happy is not an action.
So what is the fix?
They were happy. Plural people, feeling state.
Absolutely brilliant. Okay, last one in the lab. We was excited.
Wait. Excited is a feeling, so that is okay, but
But what?
we is plural, more than one person.
So what should it be?
We were excited.
Excellent. You fixed them all. I was tired. They were happy. We were excited.
Wow. Fixing them actually feels really easy now.
Because you know the secret behind the doors.
Definitely. I want to try using them in a real conversation.
Let's do it right now. No stopping, no explaining, just a natural chat.
Okay, I am ready. Just a normal conversation.
Hey, Olivia. How was your day yesterday?
It was a bit crazy, honestly. I was tired.
Oh, really? What did you do?
Well, I did some work at home, and then I went shopping.
Nice. Were your friends there at the mall?
Yes, they were. We grabbed some coffee later.
Sounds fun. Was the coffee good?
It was delicious. I was so happy.
Awesome. And scene.
Whoa, that was so smooth.
Right? Notice how naturally you switch between them.
Yeah, you asked, how was your day? And I said, I was tired.
And when I asked, what did you do? You shifted instantly.
I said, I did some work. Action.
Then I asked, were your friends there? Plural.
And I answered, they were. Wow.
You did not even have to think about it.
It literally felt automatic, just like you promised at the start.
A promise is a promise, Olivia.
This is honestly the best way to remember grammar.
Because it is not grammar anymore. It is communication.
Let's do a quick mental summary for everyone listening.
Great idea. Close your eyes, everyone. Picture the 3 doors.
Door number 1, did.
What is the question for did?
What happened? Actions and events.
Perfect. Door number 2, was.
How was it? Feelings and states for one person.
Spot on. Door number 3, were.
How were they? Feelings and states for plural people.
That is it. That is the whole secret.
So simple. Why did I struggle with this for years?
Because schools teach rules, not pictures.
That is so true. I was just memorizing words.
Here is the golden rule you need to walk away with today.
Give it to us, Michael.
Stop memorizing words. Start answering the right question.
Stop memorizing words. Start answering the right question. Incredible.
Once you do that, the English language unlocks itself for you.
I totally believe that now. I feel so much more confident.
You should. You crushed this lesson today.
Thank you so much. But wait, we need to test the listeners, right?
Oh, absolutely. We cannot let them go without some homework.
But the fun kind of homework.
Yes, everyone listening, it is your turn to jump into the mistake lab.
Or just show off what you learned.
Exactly. Head down to the comments right now.
Open up the comments section.
I want you to write 3 things for me.
Okay, what is number 1?
Write 1 sentence describing a feeling using was.
Perfect. Like, I was hungry.
Great example. Number 2, write 1 sentence showing an action with did.
Like, I did the laundry.
Exactly. And number 3, write a sentence about a group using were.
Like, my friends were late.
Brilliant. So that is 1 was, 1 did, and 1 were.
I am going to read all of these comments.
And hey, if this lesson finally made the past tense click in your brain,
You know what to do.
hit that subscribe button and leave a like on this video.
Yes, and turn on notifications right now.
Do it right now.
So, Michael, what is the golden rule again?
Stop memorizing words and start answering the right question. See you in the next lesson.